I just unpacked my new Emeril Lagasse Forever pans. Today I'm going to show you how to make some salmon and vegetables. First I'm going to put some oil in a pan that I heated up a little bit. So just adding the salmon, the flesh side down. Give that nice sizzle. And I'm also adding my vegetables. The size is really great, so everything just fits easily in one pan. I'm also making some rice pilaf too in my other Forever pan. The great thing about this pan, you can get a nice sear to it, which is really hard to do in other pans. They get hot spots. This is really evenly heated. And now our salmon is done, so I'm going to take the lid off and plate this. Look at the sear on that salmon. Isn't that amazing? That is delicious and so easy. The Emeril Lagasse Forever pans have changed the way that I cook.